The Ferrari 360 Spider is a stunning example of open-top Italian engineering, a drop-top exotic that blends everyday usability with breathtaking performance. In this video review, we take a deep dive into the design, performance, interior, driving experience, and overall legacy of the Ferrari 360 Spider to find out what makes this car a modern classic in the Ferrari lineup. Introduction: Open-top excellence. The Ferrari 360 Spider was introduced in 2000 as the convertible version of the 360 Medina. It wasn't just a coupe with the roof chopped off. Ferrari engineered the Spider from the ground up to retain the rigidity and balance of its hardtop sibling. With its seductive curves, roaring V8 engine, and seamless F1-inspired transmission, the 360 Spider delivers a thrilling yet refined experience. Let's explore what sets this iconic supercar apart. Design and styling: timeless Italian beauty. Visually, the Ferrari 360 Spider is a masterpiece. Pininfarina's design is clean, purposeful, and aerodynamically sculpted. The car's bodywork is made largely from aluminum, making it lightweight and structurally rigid. The front end features the distinctive oval headlights and air intakes that give it an aggressive stance. On the sides, flowing lines lead to large rear intakes that feed air into the mid-mounted V8. At the rear, the car sports quad taillights, a sleek diffuser, and dual exhaust pipes that hint at its performance pedigree. With the top down, the Spider's profile becomes even more dramatic, showcasing the engine bay through a glass cover, a signature Ferrari touch. Whether cruising along the coast or parked at a cafe, the 360 Spider demands attention. Engine and performance: naturally aspirated bliss. At the heart of the Ferrari 360 Spider lies a 3.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine producing 400 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 373 Nm of torque at 4,750 RPM. It's mated to either a traditional gated 6-speed manual or Ferrari's electro-hydraulic F1-style paddle-shift transmission. The engine's high-revving character is a joy to experience, with power building smoothly all the way to redline. 0 to 100 km per hour comes in just 4.5 seconds, and the top speed exceeds 290 km per hour, 180 miles per hour. The sound is simply intoxicating, metallic, raw, and spine-tingling as the V8 screams behind your head. Despite its age, the 360 Spider still feels fast and engaging compared to modern sports cars, offering a visceral connection that few cars today can match. Driving experience: open-air thrill. Driving the 360 Spider is a sensory overload, in the best way. With the roof down, you're fully immersed in the driving experience. The rush of the wind, the scent of the road, and the symphony of the engine right behind you. The steering is razor-sharp and the chassis balance is exceptional, thanks to the mid-engine layout and lightweight construction. Ferrari's advanced suspension and aluminum space frame ensure the Spider retains much of the rigidity of the coupe, even without a fixed roof. Whether carving through twisty mountain roads or gliding down the highway, the 360 Spider offers precision and poise in every corner. The manual version provides an analog thrill, while the F1 gearbox adds a race car-like feel. Interior and comfort: driver-focused luxury. Inside the 360 Spider, Ferrari focuses on the essentials. The layout is clean and purposeful, with a cockpit designed to keep the driver at the center of the experience. You'll find premium leather upholstery, aluminum accents, and the iconic gated shifter in manual models. The seats are snug but supportive, perfect for spirited drives. Despite being a performance machine, the 360 Spider offers surprising comfort for long-distance cruising. Air conditioning, power windows, and a decent sound system are included, though most owners will prefer the soundtrack from the V8 over any radio. The electrically operated soft top folds away quickly, and the cabin remains quiet and composed even at speed. Build quality and reliability. As the first Ferrari to be produced entirely from aluminum, the 360 Spider marked a turning point in Ferrari's manufacturing process. The result is a car that's not only lighter and stiffer but also more reliable than many of its predecessors. Routine maintenance is essential, but the 360 has proven to be one of the more dependable Ferraris when properly cared for. Many owners report excellent reliability and usability, with some even using their 360s as weekend cruisers or long-distance tourers. It's a Ferrari you can enjoy without constant worry, which adds to its appeal as a modern classic. Legacy and final verdict. The Ferrari 360 Spider is more than just a convertible supercar. It's a symbol of early 2000s Ferrari innovation, emotion, and craftsmanship. It blends classic Ferrari styling with modern engineering and driving thrills that remain fresh to this day. As a collectible, the 360 Spider is gaining appreciation for its naturally aspirated engine, analog driving feel, and timeless design. Whether you're an enthusiast dreaming of ownership or just a fan of Ferrari history, the 360 Spider offers a pure, unfiltered driving experience that captures the essence of what a Ferrari should be.